everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a while. It has been a long while, but I decided to jump on real quick and I just wanted to do like an updated kind of quick like face routine, I guess. This is my like everyday, minus the black lipstick and freckles, but like basically every day just going to work real quick. Nothing crazy type of thing. So yeah, so if you want to see how I did this, how I got the freckles and all that fun stuff, go ahead and keep on watching. you guys. I've been really loving black lipstick and the Freckles. I just love black lipstick, and every time I put black lipstick on, I remember how much I really love black lipstick. What I'm wearing today is, it's the Sephora brand. It's their lip stain, and it's just their black one, and that one's like my favorite go-to black lipstick because it dries down really nicely. I like to put lip balm on first so I don't feel like I have dry, crackly lips, but it still dries down really nicely. It stays put, and it just stays really black, and that's something that I love. I plan on filming more this coming new year. I've really been slacking. I haven't been motivated. I'm gonna have like a get ready story time type thing about talking about me being depressed and just not wanting to do anything creative, and that really sucked. Over the past couple of months, I've really just found myself again and feeling a little bit better and wanting to be motivated and try and put out content and do fun creative things that I've done in the past and just show you guys how I do it. There's just times where I feel like YouTube is just too much work and too much pressure, and I see what other people are doing and that fucks with my head, and then I compare myself, and that's something too in the last year. Like, I've had to work on really hard too, not comparing myself to other people, but that's gonna be a whole different video. We're gonna talk about that. But yeah, so if you want to follow along with what I got to post this coming new year, and maybe I'll have another video to post before this month is over too. But yeah, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and comment if you want to see anything this coming year. Tell me how I did. Ask me questions. I'll answer them in the comments. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys, all the love that you guys give. I just need to be positive and get myself motivated and keep on going. I have a lot of videos planned for this next year, so I'm excited about that. So hopefully that I can stick with this motivation and keep it going so I can put that out there and just share myself with you guys. Fucking hungry.